In the second part of the demonstration, we're once again going to be looking at metals, specifically the two metals that didn't react with water, the aluminum and the magnesium. And I've already poured some hydrochloric acid in the first and third test tube here, the two that are pink. I poured the hydrochloric acid in just so that you could see the actual pH range of the acid. We're going to ignore the calcium test tube because we already know that it's the most reactive since it reacted with water. And instead, we're just going to focus on what happens when we put aluminum and magnesium into hydrochloric acid. We're going to start with our aluminum metal. And again, the aluminum was the one that just kind of looked like a little pebble or a little rock. We're going to put that into our hydrochloric acid. There, once again, nothing. Aluminum is kind of boring. It's fairly unreactive. We're going to do the same thing with a piece of the magnesium metal, magnesium ribbon that we had left over from before. We're just going to put that into the hydrochloric acid. But this, we're going to immediately see the magnesium ribbon does react. It starts to bubble. I'm going to put a glass plate on top just to try some of the gas so we can do that burning splint test. And in order to do that, once again, I'm just going to take that piece of wood, I'm going to light it on fire, and then enough gas and gathered in the top of that test tube. I'm just going to move the plate off, and there you heard it. That's our little bark, or our little. So we can try one more time. Got some more magnesium in, let that react again. Wooden splint is still burning. Capture as much of the gas as we can. And once again, you hear that little pop, that part, which indicates which gas was being produced in both part A and part B. Since both of them popped or barked, both of them had the same type of gas. Also, based on our results here, where we know that the magnesium reacted with the acid even though the aluminum didn't, we also now can sort all three of our metals. The one that reacted with the water is the most reactive, the one that reacted with the acid is the second most reactive, and then of course the one that didn't react with anything, that's our least reactive metal.